Hello positive thinkers! In this video, you are going to learn about solving linear equation using the addition property of equality. So in this topic, we are going to use the concept of balancing, meaning we are going to do the same things to both sides. So if we are going to add 2 to one side, therefore we need also to add 2 to the other side. If we are going to subtract 2 to one side, we are going also to subtract 2 to the other side. Okay, let us start. So solving linear equation using addition property of equality. For any three algebraic expressions a, b, and c, if a is equal to b, then a plus c is equal to b plus c. Let us solve for x in the equation x minus 5 equals 12. Okay, so according to the rule that we are going to do the same things to both sides to maintain balance. Okay, so our goal here is to separate the variables from the numbers. So how are we going to remove negative 5 on this side? So we are going to take the additive inverse of negative 5, which is positive 5. Okay, so x and then plus, or copy negative 5 and then plus the additive inverse of negative 5 is positive 5. Okay, positive 5. Then equals 12. We add 5 here, therefore we need also to add 5 on the other side. So plus 5. We use plus because we are using addition property of equality. Okay, next. Remove the parentheses. So negative 5. Positive times 5 is positive 5. And then equals 12 plus 5 is 17. Next, x. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So if you are dealing with unlike signs, negative positive or positive negative, we are going to subtract and then copy the sign of the bigger number. So in this case, negative 5 plus 5 or 5 minus 5 is 0 or cancel. And then equals 17. Therefore, the value of x is 17. Okay, let us check if our solution is correct. Okay, copy first the equation x minus 5 equals 12. The value of x is 17. So 17 minus 5 equals 12. 17 minus 5 is 12 equals 12. Therefore, the solution is correct. Okay, next example. Solve for a. In a plus 3/4 is equal to negative 1/2. So in this case, we have fractions. Okay, copy first the equation a plus 3/4 equals negative 1/2. So we are going to eliminate 3/4 from this side. Okay, so a plus 3/4, and then the additive inverse of 3/4 is negative 3/4. Okay, so we are going to direct negative 3/4 equals negative 1/2. We subtract 3/4 from this side, therefore we need also to subtract 3/4 on this side. Okay, next. A 3/4 minus 3/4 is 0 or cancel. Equals negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 minus 3/4. Okay. So we cannot subtract or add these two fractions because they are dissimilar. So we need to take their LCD. And what is the LCD of 2 and 4? That is 4. Okay, so 4. Next, divide. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. Then copy. Minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, next. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5 over 4. Therefore, the solution is equal to negative 5 over 4. Okay, next, solve for x. In 7.3 plus x is equal to negative 2.4. Okay, so we are going to eliminate 7.3 on this side. Okay, so 7.3, the additive inverse of 7.3 is negative 7.3. Then plus x equals negative 2.4. Okay, this is 0 or cancel. So we have x equals negative 2.4. We subtract negative 7.3 on this side. Therefore, we need also to subtract negative 7.3 on the other side. So negative 2.4 minus 7.3 is negative 9.7. Okay. Next, 3x minus 5 equals 4x. So in this case, we have the variables on both sides. So we need to eliminate 3x on this side. Okay, so 3x, and then take the additive inverse, negative 3x, then minus 5 equals 4x, then minus 3x. So always remember that do the same things to both sides to maintain balance. So 3x minus 3x is 0. We have negative 5 equals 4x minus 3x is x. 1x or x. 4 minus 3 is 1, and then copy x. No need to write or to put 1 because it is understood that there is 1 on the side of x. Next, solve for 3x minus 5 equals 2x plus 7. So we have variables on both sides as well as numbers. Okay, so 3x minus 5. Let us eliminate first negative 5 here. We're going to add 5 equals 2x plus 7, then add 5. Okay, 3x is 0 equals 2x. 7 plus 5 is 12. Next, we are going to eliminate 2x from this side. Okay, so 3x. The additive inverse of 2x is negative 2x. So minus 2x equals 2x minus 2x plus 12. Okay, so 3x minus 2x is x equals, this is 0, then 12. Therefore, the value of x is 12. Okay? How about that? If there are, or if we have parentheses, so how are we going to remove the parentheses? That is by applying the distributive property of multiplication. Okay, so negative times x is negative x. Negative times positive 3 is negative 3. Then copy, plus 2x minus 1 equals 6. Okay, so we have here like terms, so we can combine that. Negative x, then plus 2x. Negative 3 and negative 1 equals 6. Negative x plus 2x. So negative, positive. In this case, we are going to go to subtraction and begin with a bigger number. So 2 minus 1. There's 1 here on the side of x. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Then the sign of the bigger number is positive. So 1 or just x. Then negative 3 minus 1, negative, negative, go to addition. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4, and then copy the negative sign. So negative 4 equals 6. Okay, so we want to eliminate negative 4 on this side. Therefore, we need to add 4 on both sides. So 6 plus 4. Okay, x 0 equals 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, the value of x is 10. And that is all about this video. I hope you learned something and see you next time.